In this video, I will show you how to get your Ethereum wallet address on the Exodus wallet. First, open your Exodus wallet app and navigate to the tab at the bottom left of the screen. Next, click on Receive next to the Buy button. In the new screen, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Ethereum. You will see various Ethereum-related networks, including the Ethereum Network, BNB Smart Chain, Optimism, Arbitrum Nova, Arbitrum One, Aurora, BES, and even Ethereum Classic. To get a standard Ethereum address, simply select the top option labeled Ethereum Network. This will display your unique Ethereum wallet address, which you can copy to your clipboard by clicking the copy icon. It's important to select the correct network when sending or receiving ETH. Always make sure both wallets are using the same network to avoid losing your funds. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like, consider subscribing,